Hi guys, good day. I'm Nolo Sudario. I want to share this video. This video is about the proper way of model sliding doors in Revit. As you can see guys, this is the elevation of the sliding doors, and we have sections, the sliding section and the peak section. On the plan, this is the sliding panel and this is the fixed panel. It's going to slide on the left, right to left, right. uh, this is the detail. We're going to make this AutoCAD detail to Revit. uh, Look at the detail. There's the detail. I did not model this what you call this, the net, the mosquito net. I did not model, but I modeled this the door frames, the outside frames, and the panel frames, the single panel sliding panel and the fixed panel. And this is our model in Revit. As you can see guys, this is the interior, exterior. This is the proper way of modeling the sliding doors in Revit. When you see the elevation, there's the elevation. You have two sections and one plan. If we're going to the let's go to the view of plan. You have the sliding panel. We have the detail of the sliding panel here. As you can see guys, this is the outside frame and this is the sliding panel. This is as you look, let's look on the glass. We can model, we can dimension the glass. Let's dimension the glass from here to here. The thickness of the glass is 8, and the total thickness of the glass is 32. Uh, let's go to the AutoCAD file. So 8 and the thickness of the glass is 8. Right. And the total thickness of the glass is 32. So we met the requirements. Let's go back to our Revit sliding panel. As you can see guys, this is the panel of the sliding doors. When you when you uh, press the cursor to the left, the arrow to the left of your keyboard, just press it. It's going to move. It's going to slide to the right. And while sliding to the right, look at the it's going to there's the stopper. So see, it's going to stop here when it going to clash on the face of this of the slide of the fixed panel. we're going to look at the before clash is going to hit. There's a gap of there's a gap of 4 mm between the sliding doors and the fixed panel. There's the detail. Here's the detail of the right detail of the door frames. Let's go to the elevation. Uh, This is the elevation. As you can see, let's press again the arrow key to the left. Look, it's going to move. So this is a parametric family. We have a pane, the sliding pane. When you press the arrow key to the left or the right, it will slide. Let's look at the stopper on the middle of the detail. Mid detail of the sliding doors. Let's go to the plan again. Go to the view of the plan. It's going to hit at the stopper. There's the stopper. Look, before it hits here, it's going to stop. Look at the mohair brush. Even the mohair brush, I'll model it. The gasket, there's the gasket. Also the spacer for the glass. Let's go to the section. When you look at the section of the sliding doors, sliding of the sliding panel, this is the sliding panel. I did not model the roller. There's a roller on this part. There's a roller so that the sliding panel will smoothly turn left to right, smoothly open on the this is the top detail. As you can see guys, when you click the outside frame, it's one detail. The frame is let's go to the 3D. When you click the outside frame, it's one entity. There's the outside frame. Outside frame. There's the outside frame. The outside frame and the sliding panel. Let's see the sliding panel. There's the sliding panel, and here's the fixed panel. Where's the fixed panel? Let's pick the fixed panel. There's the fixed panel, guys. We can move it. Let's copy a sliding panel, the fixed panel here. Let's copy one. So this is an assembly of the fixed panel. Also, we can copy the assembly of the outside frame of the sliding doors. Here it is. And the sliding panel also, there's the sliding panel. We can carry. We can copy it. There's the sliding panel. Look. So guys, this is the proper way of making a sliding doors. Also, the is the same when you're going to make a sliding window. Is almost the same. This is the proper way how to do a Revit file, Revit model of uh, sliding doors. When you go to the front elevation, as you can see guys, there it is. You go to the plan. Let's go to the plan. You can see the elevation of the plan of the sliding window. Just press the arrow key to the right. It will slide. This is a perfect parametric panel, sliding panel. You can see guys, look. There's the detail. I detail also the gaskets, the spacers. There's the spacer. The thermal brake. The thermal brake. The mohair brush. How about the mohair brush? This is a mohair brush. These two. As you can see, when you click it, and let's go to the elevation, there's the sliding panel. How about in the 3D? Let's go to the 3D. There's the 3D. Let's click the sliding panel. There's the sliding panel. And again guys, press the arrow key, right arrow key, press it. It will slide perfectly. As you can see, when you press to the left, the X and Y is there. The X and Y is appearing. This is the proper way how to make a sliding doors in Revit. So guys, if you have some questions or suggestions, uh, please feel free. I will answer you. If you want to send me a project, don't hesitate guys. I will make a quotation of your project based on my knowledge. This is the proper way. Again guys, this is the proper way how to make a model of sliding doors. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.